Assalamu alaikum. This is Sifat Mahmood, ID 222156248. Today the topic of my presentation is enhancing security at Daffodil International University using the CIA Triad. What is CIA Triad? CIA Triad is a core model in cybersecurity that helps organizations protect their information. Understanding the CIA Triad: confidentiality, integrity, availability, ensuring that only authorized individual can access sensitive data. Integrity, ensuring data is accurate, complete, and unattempted. Availability, ensuring system and data are accessible when needed. Why this is important for DIU? Protecting students' records, staff data, financial transactions, and research work. Maintaining trust, legal compliance, and operational continuity. Confidentiality, ensuring that only authorized individual can access sensitive data. Real world application at DIU: student data, grades, transcription, personal information are encrypted and password protected. Employee files, ASR database are restricted to ASR personnel only. Email and communication system, use of secure portal for student and teacher communication. Integrity, ensuring data is accurate, complete, and untampered. Real world application at DIU: grading system, system tracks sends and alert for unauthorized edits. Financial records, audit logs track who access or modify the data. Digital library and research data. Checksum or hash verification, ensure documents have not been altered. Availability, ensuring system and data are accessible when needed. Real world application at DIU: online class performance, redundant server and load balancing to handle peak loads. Server uptime, regular maintenance, backup power system, exam and administration portals, DDoS protection and high up guarantees. Thank you very much.